We sell carpets, we sell handicrafts, we sell jewelry, we sell shawls. Wholesale rates. We export different parts of the world. So you are most welcome in business. So the manufacturing is all in Kashmir. Most of our things are from Kashmir.
Tell us about the carpets, how they're all unique. How does it work?
When you talk about the carpets, you can see carpets different parts of the world. Belgium, Iran, Kashmir. But when you talk of Kashmiri carpets, these carpets are handmade and hand knotted because each and every knot is individually done. There are carpets also which are done on the looms. Those carpets are known as handmade carpets, but these are totally different. They are handmade and hand knotted. And we use chemical dyes, we use natural dyes. We use silk carpet, we make woolen carpets.
Okay. Is it possible, is every carpet...
One more important thing is there, with us no child labor is there, which is very, very important.
Excellent, excellent. Now, is it possible to have two carpets that are the same?
Yes, that is possible sometime, but maker has to make same time both the carpets.
Ah, I see, I see. But for the most part, they're all unique and identical in some way.
Yeah.
Okay. And is that why... So when you sell these carpets to your buyers, like how do you explain to them that they may not be getting exactly this exact carpet every time? Like how does that work?
You see, whenever we receive our clients, we don't believe buying and selling. Like we educated you, we educate also every customer. We show them what is the real, how is machine made done, how is handmade done. We take the knotting off, we burn the knots, we make everybody aware of it, what is good and what's bad.